That's impressive. We found a great coffee shop. Oh, Christina sees a viewpoint. Wow.
Love it. It's just like hoodoos with somebody lives in.
Yeah, with people living in the hoodoos. Oh, this is cool. Well, no, you have to bet. I love the sound in here.
The echo.
Yeah.
Beautiful view.
Good job. Yes. Hold on tight. And look at that range over there. Good morning, it's a new day, and we're on a little bus, in the city of Nevashar, heading for the little town of Göreme, where we're going to see an outdoor museum in this fantastic area we're in Cappadocia, Turkey. This whole area has underground cities, which will be exploring old castles, churches, and a really long and complicated history. Wow. It's a big landscape. Oh my gosh. Oh, we're coming into Göreme. Göreme? Wow. Wow. Göreme is completely different from Nevashar. Nevashar is kind of a real city, not overwhelmed by tourism by any stretch of the imagination. But this place, Göreme, is first of all spectacular because of all these carved homes. I mean, this is what people come to see, but it's also obviously heavy into the tourist industry. It's just fun to see the different scenes in these different towns. Christina, couldn't be more different, eh? It's all beautiful in its own way, right? It feels like this town's full of great coffee shops. Christina got something sweet and 2 steamy hot cups of coffee. We get to sit outside. Beautiful blue sky day. And consider where we are in the world. Whoa. Christina's looking for a cave 100 meters up this road. Oh, now we're 50 meters, Christina. I see something about a cave, a sign. Well, you have to be a good driver here. There's cave house, cave restaurant, cave hotel. In fact, there's everything but cave so far. There's more than one cave hotel. There are many cave hotels. Still, Christina, these things are amazing. Oh, Christina sees a viewpoint. Wow. This place is remarkable. There's Christina. Yeah, check that out. That fantastic structure there next to the vitamin bar and the ice cream cellar.
Yeah.
Whoa. There's a whole bunch up there. We're just going on a random walk, but I think we're gonna get a pretty good view up here. There's the charming cave hotel. I think cave hotels are a thing here. Christina International Shopping Habitat. Wow. A little, I think, a tourist shop strip here, but why not? We're tourists. More hot air balloon mementos. Oh. We are making our way up to what I think is an ancient city. We'll find out. Oh, that is a great shot. What can you say, Christina?
Love it. It's just like hoodoos with somebody lives in it.
Yeah, with people living in the hoodoos.
Like the hoodoos of Alberta.
Really not living right now.
Oh,
All ancient
I'm going there.
places, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. There goes Christina. We have paid our tickets. We are now in the open air museum. Looks cool.
You have to be grabbing.
It's done up very beautiful, very easy. Hey, Christina. Wow. Here we go. We are going up. Oh, what is this? Wow. Oh, there goes Christina. Oh, oh.
Okay.
I will look.
Yeah.
Oh, this is cool. All chipped out of stone. See the tool marks on all the stone. And there's the room next door. There's Christina. Christina. Whoa. This is the old trail, which I will not come down. I will rely on the stairs. But that's... Yeah. Whoa. Yes, the stairs are better. But that's what there was. Here is trails on the side of the stone. Must have been a bit greasy in the rain, Christina. Maybe not. We are at an elevation here of 4,000 feet, roughly above sea level, and the air is fresh. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Whoa. Here comes Christina.
These are made for short people.
They are, but it seems to work for you. Look at that. There's more of a traditional doorway. Wow, the ceiling's all blackened. Oh, there's a window above this. So there's obviously access above this too. Oh, Christina. We take a look. Step this way, Christina. It's kind of dark in here.
Oh yeah, this is one of the windows.
Burası ayrı bir oda. Çok burası daha güzelmiş kız.
You can.
Does Christina have to bend at that door? Not really. She wouldn't have to.
No, really?
Well,
See, no.
no, you have to bend. I do. That's cool. Oh, nice temperature in here.
Can you go out first?
Okay. Stepping out. Here we go. Okay, Christine is going up the secret stairway. There she goes. Ooh. Good job, Christina. Wow, look at this. This is a whole deal going on here. love the sound in here.
The echo.
Yeah.
Oh my God, what a beautiful view. Right there, right by the door.
Babe.
Yes.
You can kind of deke in here on the side. That's right. All right. You're down. Let's just get to the bottom. Head down a little bit. Oh, there's Christina taking photos of me taking photos. Wow, it remains a beautiful cloudless day with a fresh mountain breeze in the air. Wow. Beautiful. And at the bottom of the hill, more stuff to buy. Oh, Christina's checking out things. Good?
Hey, be careful now, you're up there.
Oh, I have to be careful. We're going exploring. There you go, you lead. Well, that's cool. What's in here? Oh, this is a spacious abode. This is nice. We just sort of hike along, look at stuff. Hold on tight. Pretend I'm the ski tow rope. There we go. What's on this? Oh, look at this. Whoa. And look at that range over there. Wow. That is impressive. What do you think, Christina? Oh yeah, it looks good. No cliffs. There goes Christina, the explorer, walking the ancient trail. There you go. You're doing good. Ah, here we go. Huh. Okay, time for hand holding.
I think the one is there better.
Here we go. Okay, we're kind of walking up a 4x4 road here. I think it hooks up to our main sidewalk. Eventually, somehow. Now, which side is the sidewalk on?
That's the sidewalk. We walk a little bit
Yeah.
and then we cross the street.
Oh, the sidewalk ends there. Okay, I got it. Okay. All right. Oh. Coming back into town. We are on the bus. Headed back to Nevis-Air. Oh, beautiful light in the evening. Great ride. Yes, we are out walking
This is the underground city, this one.
the street. This is the bright part of the street. We found a mall. We're looking all around and we found a mall. It's true. Christina's so happy. Christina, that mall was great. We found some fruits.
I want a hard one.
Oh, it's great. Eh?
Yeah. You want to check?
Check what?
This is the one.
This is the one, yeah. This is the one. Wow. Look at this.
Different places to eat. Cheap. Right?
Very cheap, yeah.
Our fruits
Yeah.
and dinner.